Yes, my friend.
What cleaner are you at?
We're at the Whirl-O-Mat #1 on in Columbus, right here in the city of San Francisco.
Not a lot of activity this early in the morning.
No, it's pretty dead. I think it opened up just a little while ago. It opens up early, so nobody's in here except us.
Okay, it's the Who's a Man competition. Right. Varinder finally in the competition.
Yeah, how you doing, Varinder? We haven't seen you in a while. How you feeling, buddy?
Yeah, feeling pretty good, and we are here to play the contest. Who's the man?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what the hell you just said.
Let me talk.
Okay, right. We're gonna.
Let me talk to Varinder.
Hello, JV. It's Varinder. How you doing?
Good, Varinder. You understand what you're going to do?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
I think they are trying to rolling me in the road wash, you know.
No, in the dryer. Whoever can.
Whatever.
Right. Whoever can stay the longest in the dryer will win. Okay.
If anything happened to me,
you'll be okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Now Elvis will be on one phone. You're going to take the other phone in there.
Uh-huh.
And then when you're ready to get out, when you go, I want out, then they'll stop the dryer and let you out.
Okay. But you're going to go first, okay, Varinder?
Okay.
All right. Guys, let's help him in.
All right.
Okay.
Is he keeping a phone?
Slowly.
Here, take the phone from him first. Okay.
Elvis, you get the other phone.
Okay, I got it.
Hold him too.
Okay, buddy. Oh, God, he's fast.
Oh, these are heavy, Varinder.
Okay.
All the way in there. Oh, good job, buddy.
Okay. Yo, help him in. Okay. All right. JV, we're trying to twist him into it. It's,
Okay.
It's a big dryer, but it's not huge.
All right.
Person. All right. Shutting the door. Let's put the quarter in.
Is it 1 quarter? Okay, wait. Don't do it yet.
Okay, hold on.
Tell them to shut up.
You guys shut up, okay?
All right.
Leave him alone. All right.
Varinder.
You ready to start this?
Wait a minute. Varinder, can you hear me?
Hello?
Varinder?
Uh-huh.
Are you ready?
Yeah, ready?
All right, Joe. Shut the door. Okay, let me put the quarter in.
Okay.
All right. Here we go, JV. You ready?
Now, Varinder, tell me when you want to stop, okay?
Okay, please.
Okay.
I'm scared of something. Oh, man! Oh, no, man!
Is he spinning?
I'm dying! It's hot!
He's done.
It's hot!
He's done. Let him out. 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 Elvis, let him out.
It's very hot!
Let him out.
It's getting hot.
Let him out.
He's burning himself. I think his shoe got burned. You okay?
I'm okay.
Oh, man, that was hilarious.
Elvis.
Yeah.
Is he okay?
I think he's okay. You okay, Varinder, buddy?
Yeah, I'm okay.
It got hot in there, didn't
Hey, did anyone happen to time that?
it? You know what? I started it. It looked like he was going at about 50 seconds there.
Okay, and now Big Joe and Hollywood, who's next?
Who's next, you guys? Hell no! Varinder, you're the man,
Yeah, you're the man, Varinder. You have to get in, please. No, you won. You won. You won, dude. You won. You won. Everybody has to get inside. Hey, you're the man, Varinder. You're the man. No, go ahead. Go ahead.
I guess Varinder's the man, JV.
Yeah.